Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting immediate feedback. Set the PA to performance level and listen through headphones and the stage monitor. Once done, engage a high-pass filter around 80 to 120 Hz to remove low-end rumble. This frees headroom. Next, solo the vocal channel for a quick sweep with a narrowband EQ to find harsh or boxy frequencies. Make small boosts to exaggerate the problem so you can clearly identify the offending band, then proceed to cut rather than boost for clarity. Once you've located a problem band, switch to a narrow Q of about 3 to 6 and apply a 6 to 10 dB boost to make the issue obvious. Then cut that same band by roughly 3 to 6 dB. After the initial cut, widen the Q so the change sounds musical and not scooped. Make sure to check with the full band playing. If sibilance remains, engage a de-esser targeted at 5 to 8 kHz. Use dynamic control rather than static attenuation. You finish by adding a subtle presence boost between 2 and 4 kHz, about +1 to +3 dB with a wide Q to bring intelligibility forward. Once done, toggle the EQ bypass to a /B test changes in context and make sure gain staging keeps peaks out of the clip LED. If the vocal still doesn't sit, check compression settings, mic placement, and monitor bleed. These often masquerade as EQ issues. If feedback or harshness returns, narrow the cut or reduce input gain and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.